an incubation center for all of you. It is for our students, alumni, and academics. So according to me, this is a very important thing. I'll just take you through SINE for just 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes. And they are called two entrepreneurs from SINE who are possibly only 5 years older than you. I mean, if I say the eldest of two, maybe they're 5 years older than you. And they will talk about their entrepreneurial journey from SINE. Okay? So that will be kind of an input for you. But before that, let me know any of you here who don't know about SINE at all. I mean, they have not even heard the word called SINE. I'm not talking about SINE cost 10. SINE as a technology incubation center. You have not heard of it at all. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's fine still. 5. Anybody who is hesitant to raise their hand, no problem if you tell me that you have not heard about SINE, because we address the MTech and PhD, but we don't address the BTech students when they get inducted. So I know that a lot of BTech students may not know, but mostly MTech and PhD may know about SINE. So let me see how many of you know about SINE. Fantastic. Okay. So I'll just take you through SINE, and then immediately we'll come back to the entrepreneurs who will introduce themselves, talk about their journey, and possibly you can have a fantastic connect with them. So SINE, as it says, innovation and entrepreneurship, is what we call as technology entrepreneurship. Right? The word technology is very important. Normally we will not deal with e-businesses unless and until they are based on technology. Alright? Okay, so what is SINE? A technology incubator, a business incubator. It converts your research work into wealth. A lot of people feel that it is immoral to convert other research into wealth. Well, research is basically, dissemination of knowledge and not to collect wealth. But we don't believe in that. We want to convert your knowledge into wealth. That is our motto. What is essential here, however, is the innovation word. So you can't just convert your research into wealth like that. It doesn't come to you. It has to normally come with innovation. And this is what we aim at. The incubator, I will not go on that. We really incubate companies. We try to incubate companies, give them the support at a very nascent stage. When the idea is there, when some prototype is just about to come and things like that. The vision and mission I don't want to talk about. So from IIT's research laboratory, we want to go to users. And this is the entire role that we play at our technology incubator. The facilities that we give, the physical incubation, has anybody of you visited SINE ever till now? Finish. The other people are most welcome to visit us whenever.
SINE lab?
Not SINE lab, no, SINE incubation center. Alright, this is where we accommodate people, we give the space to them. Then for 3 years, you can come with an idea, you can present your idea to us. We take a decision where you are worth incubating or not first, and then you will be allowed to be there for 3 years. After that, you have to go graduate and go outside on your own. So before you go outside on your own, we support you. We support IIT Bombay alumni, student, and faculty member. We don't support anybody from outside, and that's the limitation for SINE alumni. So if you enter SINE, you will see these things. Alright, so we are housed at 2 places. One is CRISIC top floor here, and the other one is CSIR top floor. Everybody knows CSIR? Alright, so everybody in front of environmental department, what we have is CSIR. On the top floor of CSIR, what we have is SINE. And this is what you can see, that we have different companies, each company getting incubated. We stay there, and this could be around 300 square feet, 400 square feet, 250 square feet, that kind of a space. It's a kind of office space actually. Alright, where you can house, you can start around 10 to 12 can be accommodated with you. meeting rooms, we've got a boardroom, we've got a Xeroxing facility, all kinds of facilities. We allow you to have various networks there. We can arrange various people to come together, discuss things, talk to your financial, possibly lawyer if you want to, and things like that. The events, company can have various event training workshops. We can arrange to have some seed funding available. Now most of the companies are actually, for seed funding is happening out there, but that was not so much simple earlier. It's getting simpler and simpler day by day. We can see different teams working inside. Importantly, it comes with mentoring. So whenever now you come with a company, you come with an idea, you normally make it must now that one should have to have a mentor. And a mentor is normally an alum of IIT Bombay who is already into business outside, who is not going to be your competitor but is going to be a mentor. Alright, so we will actually do your handholding along with science staff. And just go through fast. Now there is a consideration model. What do I get in return? SINE has to support themselves. We got some staff who will actually get the money based on whatever equity we hold in the company. So SINE will have some consideration model for you if we can discuss. It depends on if your idea has come from IIT Bombay work, for example, somebody's MTech work or PhD work has to be converted into some commercial activity. Normally IIT Bombay will hold the patent for IP from IIT side. So we have to work out these equations, pretty standardized equations with IIT Bombay, IRCC coming into the picture and SINE coming into the picture. I will not talk about all those things right now because not addressed to this crowd right now. But anybody is interested in knowing further, always welcome to visit me and site. So various processes that come for you to get incubated is from your idea feasibility background up to your execution. Where we take a decision, yes, you can go ahead and get incubated. I will not talk about the product developed by, but I will just show you various products here. And we will have a presentation on this later, on this product. The impact is, so far, we got 55 companies incubated at SINE till now. Out of which, we can incubate 16 companies at one time because of the limitation that we have. 29 companies have already graduated, 8 companies pulled it up, 2 companies are right now with minimum execution. So we can see in last 10 years that we could come up with 55, but don't forget the fact that these companies are all techno-entrepreneurship. Mostly they are technical, where the investment required is more, the equipment is more, and the gestation period also is pretty high. Other things, I will not go into the details of this. The 18 companies have come with IIT Bombay IP. That means they were students, MTech PhD student, and the idea was actually first nourished in IIT Bombay, and the MTech PhD one possibly got converted into some kind of a business activity. The 22 companies are with faculty involvement. 4 companies with strategic importance. For example, there are some companies which are in the defense sector, which is atomic energy sector, DRDO sector, for example, which normally may not be a very big commercial activity for us, but we still will go ahead considering its strategic importance to India and social. Where do we want to go from here? Right now we have got only 16 companies possible because of the limitation of the infrastructure. We would like to go to 50 companies now, and a separate building is coming up for IRCC and SINE now. Where you see right now the estate office, that at that place we will have a IRCC and SINE building. The SINE building will have lab, clean rooms, at least 25 meeting rooms, maybe 3 floors there, and we have an opportunity for at least having 50 companies to be incubated as of now. Actually, I didn't talk about that, but we can have virtual companies also, so that suppose you are not in Mumbai and you are in Pune or Bangalore, we can have virtual incubation also. You may not get physical incubation, but you can have virtual incubation as well. Till now, I will say SINE companies turnover is around 160 crore, all added together. And we could generate around 1200 employment as of now. So this will get bigger and bigger with time. And it is no one but all of you actually have been contributing to this. Various companies. And today, we will have a presentation by these 2 people, Idea Food and Sensible. Alright? They were all students like you here. And they have formed a company. The company is almost now 26 years old, around that life. Let us see. Thank you very much. And any of you who would be interested in seeing SINE, in understanding what SINE will do for you, please come to SINE anytime. I spend around 3 hours a day